Welcome to Fluent English, where you learn to speak English fast.
Okay, Leo, day 2. I survived day 1. Barely.
Barely? You said my name is Luna like 100 times yesterday. I heard you talking to Mochi.
She needed to know my name. What if she gets lost and has to tell someone?
She genuinely believes her cat will one day need to introduce her to strangers.
Anyway, today's topic, the magic verb.
The magic verb.
Why do you say it like that?
Because it is magic. The verb to be is the most important verb in the English language, and once you learn it, everything else gets easier.
Okay, but here's my problem. I always get confused. I am happy, you are happy, she is happy. Why can't it just be I is?
Luna, you just committed a grammar crime.
To the camera, this is what I deal with, people. Drama.
But here's the truth. If you've ever said I is or you am, if you've ever frozen because you weren't sure which word to use, if you've ever felt your brain short circuit when trying to say something simple about yourself,
Stay with us, because by the end of this episode, you'll never confuse I am and you are again. Welcome to Be Fluent in English with Luna and Leo. I'm Luna.
And I'm Leo, and today is day 2 of our journey together.
Yesterday, we learned to say hello. Today, we learned to say something about ourselves.
Today, we learn who we are.
Leo nods. I am happy. I am tired. I am learning English. To the camera, this is the verb that lets you exist in English, literally. To be means to exist, to live, to take up space.
That's beautiful, Luna.
Thank you.
Okay, but before we get into the lesson, I have a story.
Leo sits up. Oh, I love your stories.
Okay, I have to tell you something that actually happened.
Leo settles in. I'm ready.
There was a woman named Fatima. She came to England from Morocco when she was 32. She had 3 children and very little English.
That's a lot to carry.
Every day she walked her kids to school, and every day she passed a little market. She wanted so badly to buy fresh bread, just bread.
Why couldn't she?
Because she didn't know how to say, I am here to buy bread. She didn't know I am. She could point, she could nod, but she couldn't say, I am.
Understandable.
One day, her daughter wrote something on a piece of paper. She said, Mama, just say this.
What did it say?
Pulls out imaginary paper. I am Fatima. I am here. I want bread, please.
Clutching heart. Stop.
Fatima practiced that sentence all night, in the mirror, in the shower, while cooking dinner. I am Fatima. I am here. I want bread, please.
Eyes wide. Did she do it?
The next morning, she walked to the market. Her hands were shaking. The baker looked at her and smiled. Good morning, madam. What can I get for you?
Holding breath. And?
Voice soft. I am Fatima. I am here. I want bread, please.
Gasps. She said it.
She said it. And the baker? He didn't laugh. He didn't correct her. He just said, Of course, Fatima. Fresh bread coming right up.
Wiping imaginary tear. I'm not crying. You're crying.
Emotionally. That was the first time Fatima said, I am in English. And it was just bread. But it wasn't just bread.
It was her saying, I exist here. I belong here.
Nods. Today, Fatima volunteers at her children's school. She helps other immigrant parents learn English, all because she learned 3 words. I am Fatima.
To the camera, if Fatima can do it, standing in front of a stranger, saying her first I am, I promise you, you can do it too.
This is why we're teaching this today. Not so you sound perfect, so you can say, I am and mean it.
Bell dings. Visual, the magic verb to be. Okay, let's get practical. Let's talk about this magic verb.
Pulls out a whiteboard with marker. I brought props.
Sarcastic. Of course you did.
Writing. The verb to be has three main forms in the present tense.
On-screen text appears as Leo writes, I am, you are, he, she, it is.
Reading. I am, you are, he, she, it is. Points. These three, that's all you need to start.
Why can't it just be the same for everyone?
Sighs dramatically. Because English is complicated and beautiful and sometimes makes no sense.
Laughs. That's the most honest answer you've ever given.
But here's the trick. You don't need to understand why. You just need to practice.
Okay, let's practice. I'll say the subject, you say the verb. Ready?
Ready stance. Hit me.
I, pause.
Am.
You, pause.
Are.
She, pause.
Is.
He, pause.
Is.
It, pause.
Is.
We, pause.
Are. Wait, we didn't teach we yet.
Laughs. Too fast. We're getting ahead.
To the camera. Don't worry, we'll get to we and they another day. Today, just focus on I am, you are, and he, she, it is.
Visual. I am the most important words. Leo, let's start with I am.
Points to himself. I am Leo. Points to Luna. You are Luna.
Points to herself. I am Luna. Points to Leo. You are Leo.
See? Simple. I am is for you. You are is for the person you're talking to.
What about I am with feelings?
Nods. This is where it gets fun. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry.
Dramatically. I am hungry and I haven't eaten breakfast. Looks at watch. It's 10 a.m., Luna. Exactly. I'm starving.
To the camera. Let's practice together.
On-screen text appears. I am happy. I am learning English. I am a student. Repeat after me. Pause. I am happy. Pause.
Good. I am learning English. Pause.
Beautiful. I am a student. Pause.
You're doing amazing.
Visual. You are talking to others. Okay, now let's talk about you are.
This is how you talk to someone else.
Leo, you are funny. To the camera, you are a great English learner.
Leo, you are kind. To the camera, you are doing so well.
Swooning, you think I'm kind? Ignoring her, you are is for one person or many people. English doesn't care. You is the same for one person or 100 people. Confused. So if I'm talking to one friend, I say you are. If I'm talking to a whole room, I still say you are?
Nods. English is simple that way. No you all or you guys needed. Just you are.
Okay, that's actually easier than my language.
Sometimes English is easier. Not always, but sometimes.
Okay, now the trickiest part. Talking about someone else.
Pointing to Luna, she is Luna. Pointing to himself, he is Leo. Pointing to Mochi's cat bed, it is a cat.
Mochi is not an it.
You're right. She is a cat. She is.
Thank you.
To the camera. Important lesson. People are he or she. Animals can be he or she if you love them. But if you don't know, it is okay.
Firmly, Mochi is a she.
Writing. She is Mochi. She is fluffy. She is in charge.
Nodding. Accurate.
Let's practice. He is a doctor.
She is a teacher.
It is a book.
Perfect. You're getting it.
Okay, I have a question for you, Luna.
Wary. What?
If I say I am hungry and you say I am hungry too, who is more hungry?
Confused. That's not how grammar works.
Insisting. But in terms of feeling, maybe one person is more hungry.
Thinking, then you would say I'm very hungry or I'm starving.
Nodding. So very adds intensity.
To the camera. This is what happens when you let a former English teacher loose. He starts debating the intensity of hunger.
Defensively, it's a valid question.
Laughing. Okay. Before Leo starts a philosophical debate about breakfast, let's get back to actually helping you. Okay, let's talk about mistakes, because you will make them, and that's okay.
Nodding. The most common mistake with to be is mixing up I am and I is.
Raising hand. I did that yesterday. I said, I is tired, and Mochi looked at me like I was crazy.
Laughing. Mochi is very judgmental for a cat who sleeps 18 hours a day.
Defensively. She's not judgmental, she's discerning.
Another common mistake, you is instead of you are.
Practicing. You are beautiful, not you is beautiful.
And he are instead of he is.
He is funny, not he are funny.
To the camera, here's the secret. Just repeat these 3 lines every day.
Say them with us.
I am.
You are.
She is.
See? You just did it. Okay, now it's your turn, and I need you to actually do this.
Don't just listen. Say these sentences out loud right now. I'll wait. No one's watching. Just you and us. Good. Now let's practice together.
First sentence. I am happy. Now, I am learning English.
Beautiful. Now I am a student.
Now, let's describe someone else. She is kind.
He is funny.
It is beautiful.
Clapping softly, you just use the magic verb 5 times.
This one sentence, this is the difference between being invisible and being seen. I am means I exist, I matter, I'm here. Okay, here's my challenge for you.
Sighing dramatically, here we go again.
Excited. In the comments, I want you to finish this sentence. I am.
1 word? 2 words?
Anything. I am happy, I am tired, I am learning English, I am brave.
To the camera, she's going to pick her favorite and draw it.
Nodding. Yes, and I'll feature it in our next episode.
To the camera, so be honest, be real, tell us who you are.
Softly. I am is the most powerful thing you can say, because you're telling the world you exist.
Quietly. That's beautiful, Luna.
Shy. Thank you.
Here's what we learned today.
1. I am is for you. I am happy, I am tired, I am learning.
2. You are is for the person you're talking to. You are kind. You are a student.
3. He is, she is, it is for talking about someone or something else.
4. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Every I am is a victory.
Quietly. Fatima learned I am to buy bread, and that one sentence changed her life.
Softly. Because I am is not just grammar. It's presence. It's claiming your space. To the camera. So today I want you to say it out loud right now.
I am learning English. I am brave. I am here.
There you go. You just said the most important words in English.
3 takeaways for today.
1. I am, you are, he, she, it is. These 3 patterns will get you through 80% of your conversations.
2. Practice out loud. Every day. In the mirror, in the car, to your cat. Mochi approves.
3. Your I am matters. Whatever you say after I am becomes your truth. So say good things.
If you made it this far, you're serious about your English.
Drop a headphones in the comments so we know who our real ones are.
And finish the sentence. I am.
Luna will be sketching her favorite, and I'll be reading every single one.
Wink. Make it true. Make it you. Thanks for spending day 2 with us.
Tomorrow, day 3, we keep going. More words, more confidence, more you.